welcome back to all the Neffyness. I am back today with another unboxing video, and this is my second package from my second partner that I had, who was originally my first partner for the Felicity Jane Exchange, and I'm here to share all the goodies that she sent me as well, like I promised. So let's get started. So this was my paired, her name was Crafty, and we had a lot of great time also exchanging, you know, our likes and everything we like. So I'm just gonna start bringing out what she sent me. So I'm gonna start off with this rotating stamp, and this is from the Maggie Holmes Shine, and I honestly cannot even wait to open this. It's got so many sentiments. It's not really dates, it's just sentiments, and let me show you what it says. You make me happy, treasured memories, always and forever. Hello, I love you, shine bright, the best ever. Have courage and be kind, lucky in love. The sweet life, happy little moment, hello beautiful, and dream a little dream. I cannot wait to start using this one, and I love the fact that I have one more to add to the collection of my rotating stamps. Thank you so much, Kathy. She also sent me these Color Theory month tabs, and these are really cool. These are cool for like a planner. Can't wait to use those. She also sent me a few little trinkets, and I kind of just glanced these. I didn't really look at the details, but I guess they're all little buttons, and they're super cute. I like the birthday cupcake one. How cute. Handmade with love. I like that one too. So sweet. And then other little buttons. So cute. She also sent me some wood clips, and then she added a couple of these heart pin paper clips. Those are adorable. And let me show you the wooden clips. They come in all different colors, and they have some pretty little 3D flowers to it. I've never really used wood clips in layouts, but when I saw these I was like, you know what, I have to somehow include them, because these are just super duper cute. She also sent me a little baggie of what looks like tags. Oh, these are cute. These are like pastel tags. I'm just gonna start placing them down so you guys can see them. It looks like they've got also like glitter accent to it. So these are really cute, and I like the soft color scheme to it. Very girly, very pretty. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Cute. Gather your rosebuds. Those are so cute. Then she sent me these stickers from the Paper Studio, and these are just gorgeous. The gold and the pink. Like, I really want to incorporate these in like a layout. I've seen a lot of layouts with, you know, triangles, so I'll see how I can work these out. These are so pretty, and they are stickers. They're stickers. Super cute. I love those. She also sent me some watercolor tags, and these are so cute too. It looks like one of them is a little darker than the other. Pink, pink, pink. Also so cute. She sent me one of these little frayed hearts, and it looks like she might have made it herself. I'm not sure, but that's really cute. I like this too. I've been wanting to make one myself, and I've just never taken the time to do it, but I'm glad I have one. So cute for a layout. She sent me a few more tags, and these are the bicycle tags. So these are cute for gifts and also for layouts or even for the traveler's notebook. I like that. She then sent me this cute little baggie, and let me check what's in there because I haven't checked in here. Oh, how cute! Look at that. Is that Mr. Grumpy Cat? How cute, and it's a pin. That's adorable. I love the retro glasses and the tie. So cute. Oh, washi tape. So this looks like it's an illustrated faith washi, and this just looks lovely. Let me check it out. So I have been eyeing the illustrated faith for a while, but I've never really purchased anything that they have. But I love, love, love this washi. And the tag said it was called Bloom, in case you guys were wondering what kind of washi tape it is. Super cute. Oh, I think there's still something else in here. Oh, more washi. And this is the cloth washi. Have you guys ever purchased any cloth washi before? I have, and I really like it. It gives a whole different form of texture to your pages. Sorry about that. Pink. Cute. Alright. Then she also sent me these from also the Paper Studio. And they are the, hold on, let me move this so it doesn't blur it out. They're Cork Travel. So that's really cute. Super cute. I like these a lot. She also sent me some punched out hearts. Let me see if you... And I don't have a heart punch. I don't know if I mentioned this in the last video, but these are awesome. You can really do a lot with these. Use them as for like shaker cards or, you know, little details. So these are cute. Ooh, you guys are gonna love this next part. She sent me doilies, and these doilies are like the ones I have been seeing all over the internet, because they are not the same ones that you will find at the dollar store. I honestly don't know where she got these, but there's like more detail to these, and I love them. I'm a huge doily fan. And so we have a few more here. She actually sent me 2 sizes, and so many of them. Oh my goodness, Kathy, these are great. Great, 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 great. Alright. Yes. These are just amazing. Look how many she sent me. Doilies for days. Doilies for days. Then she also sent me some printables. And these are really cute. They're called Soleil journaling cards by One Little Bird. And I really like these. Look how pretty. Summer nights, summer days. Yeah, and she sent me 2 of these. So the, what would you call this? Vertical ones and the horizontal cards. And they seem to be the same cards. Wow, these are nice to have. Thank you. And then finally, oh no, sorry, not finally. She also sent me some wood veneers. And these are really cute. Tags, and these are actually attachable, so they've got the removable tape, so you can just stick them on, and these actually come in pretty handy. This adorable, adorable flower one, this one's great. I love that one. Fave. And some super cute wood veneer tags as well. Awesome. I love these. Okay, and then I think this bow was for the doilies. I'm not very sure, but this is really cute. Can always save this for Christmas time. Every time I think of red, I think Christmas. And speaking of Christmas, guys, look at this. She sent me the new My Mind's Eye chipboards for this Christmas. That is, I mean, it's a new release. It's been out for, I say, like 2 or 3 months, because I've seen it on scrapbook.com for a while. But these are, let me scoot this over, the newest ones from My Mind's Eye. And actually last year I did buy the My Mind's Eye to work in my December daily, and I was planning on purchasing this one and then the other collection. I forgot the other one, but it's not such soft colors. It's actually like darker, like red and dark green. But she sent me this one, and this is just amazing. Look at the beautiful colors. I think I'm just like set for Christmas. I love this. I love, 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 love these. If you guys know me, I love chipboards, and these are here ready for December. Alright guys, so that's what she sent me, and it was another amazing package that I got. And like I said in the last video, I am just so glad that I was able to participate in this exchange, because you know, you really do get to meet great people with kind, beautiful hearts who, you know, just spoil you with beautiful supplies. And I really hope that she enjoyed my package that I sent her. And I just want to say thank you to Kathy for sending me all these beautiful, beautiful goodies. You definitely will be seeing them around in my layouts. And thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. So I hope you enjoyed watching this one as well. You guys can see that I'm totally set for like a good year with all the supplies they sent me. And I can't wait for next year to share what, you know, I get next year. So hopefully Felicity Jane will continue doing this, because I definitely think it's a great way to meet new people and just share the love. Share the love for our obsession with paper. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.